Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 2nd of January. And first of all, national news. Mobile phone exports of rupees 1 lakh crore. Minister on PM Modi's 2023 vision. Tamil Nadu increased DNS allowance by 4% for government employees. Supreme Court to give verdict on demonetization case on 2nd January. Indian Coast Guard rescued 12 members of sinking vessel off Gujarat coast. IGNOU January 2023 re-registration last date extended till January 15. Huge crowds at India Gate on New Year. Cops blocked routes. Massive search operation after terrorist snatch gun from cop in Kashmir. The tenures of the Rajasthan and Telangana assemblies will end on January 14 and January 16, 2024 respectively. 2022 305 enforcement actions taken against airlines individuals in 2022. Weather Department predicted below normal temperatures in January. Pakistan-India exchange list of nuclear installations and facilities. Anil Kumar Lahote took charge as chairman CEO of Railway Board. Commercial cooking gas priced up by 25 rupees. Rates were hiked 4 times last year. India's unemployment rate for December is 8.3%, a 16-month high, a report said. Bus staff who saved Rishabh Pant to be honored by Uttarakhand government. And now some international news. New Year attack targeted Ukraine's drone production, Russia said. Croatia switched to Euro, entered Europe's passport-free zone. Australia made COVID negative report mandatory for arrivals from China. After aircraft clash, China accused US of distorting facts. Ukraine's Kyiv rocked by explosions amid Russia's New Year attack. Ukraine will fight Russia until victory. Zelensky, a New Year address. Israel not bound by despicable UN note on Palestine, Benjamin Netanyahu. Former Pope Benedict XVI died at 85, Vatican. A New York message, Rishi Sunak warned UK's problems won't go away in 2023. And now some sports news. BCCI shortlisted 24 2023 World Cup injury-prone players told to skip IPL sources. Saina Nehwal among shuttlers to skip PAC 2023 trials. BCCI Secretary Jay Shah keeping close eye on Team India's developments. The Board of Control for Cricket in India held a performance review meeting in Mumbai on Sunday. And news from business. GST revenues grew 15% to Rs 1.49 lakh crore in December. Center to launch Digital India Fund to support deep tech startups, Minister. India to take up accessibility to energy, food grains very strongly at G20, S. Jaishankar. Indian manufacturers stocking up inventories amid supply concerns from China. India's unemployment rate rose to 16-month high at 8.30% in December, CMIE. Maruti Suzuki, India's wholesales down by 9% in December 2022. Now news from science and technology. ISRO's upcoming experiments for 2023 include dedicated mission for Sun, Moon. Celestial events to look forward to in 2023, solar and lunar eclipses, meteor shower. And that's all in news. Thank you.